Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In today's video, we are going to learn Seaborn, a Python library that builds on top of Matplotlib for advanced statistical visualization. With Seaborn, you can make beautiful, informative and easy to read plots for your data analysis. So by the end of this video, you'll know some of the very useful examples to start using Seaborn like a pro. So let's start this. So moving on to the first one. So the first one is importing Seaborn and loading a data set. So for that, first let's import the library. So this will import the Seaborn library, and now we'll also import Matplotlib. So this will import the Matplotlib library, and now we'll load the example data set. So this will load the data set, and now let's print the data set. So let's see what output does it gives. So here we can see the output of the tips loaded data set. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is scatter plot with regression line. So for that, we'll create a scatter plot. So this will create a scatter plot, and now we'll add the title. So this will add the title, and at last we'll display the plot. And now let's see the output of this. So here this mplot plots a scatter plot and fits a regression line automatically. So here we can see how the scatter plot with a regression line looks like. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is a histogram or a distribution plot. So this will plot a histogram using the tips data set. So this will create a histogram, and now we'll add the title, and at last we'll display the plot. So let's see its output. So here we can see a histogram with KDE, means a distribution plot also. So here KDE adds a smooth density curve which shows frequency distribution of a variable. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is a box plot. So for creating a box plot, so this will create a box plot, and now we'll display the plot. So here you can see the box plot example. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is a violin plot. So a violin plot combines box plot plus KDE to show distribution shape. So this will create a violin plot, and this will add the title, and this will display the plot. So let's see the output, how violin plot looks. So here we can see the violin plot, how it looks. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is a pair plot. So this will create a pair plot for you, and let's simply display it. So here you can see a pair plot, how it looks. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is a heat map. So this is a correlation matrix, and this will create a heat map, and at last will display the plot. So heat map visualizes correlation between variables, which is perfect for statistical insights. So let's see the output. So here we can see how a heat map looks. So in this video you learned how to create scatter plot, histogram, box plot, violin plot, pair plot, heat maps and count plots, all essential for advanced statistical visualization. So Seaborn makes your plot beautiful, readable and ready for presentation, and it's widely used in data analysis. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment below which Seaborn plot you want me to explain in depth. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.